Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on a mission to demystify how to create ClickUp docs. So grab your coffee and let's jump right in. Now, the first step is logging in. Easy enough, right? You'll want to head to ClickUp's main page and enter your account credentials. The reason we do this is simple. You need to be logged in to create and manage your ClickUp docs. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Now, look over to the left of your screen and spot the Docs tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is the gateway to all of your ClickUp docs. It's where you'll create, manage, and share your documents. Next up is creating your new doc. For that, you'll see the New Doc button right at the top of your screen. Click on it, give your doc a name, and you're good to go. This step is vital because it's where you'll start building your content. Remember, a good doc starts with a catchy name that clearly communicates its purpose. Now that we've done that, let's add some content. To do this, click on the Add Content button and start typing. ClickUp docs allow you to add text, images, embeds, and even videos. Make sure to utilize these options to create engaging and informative docs. The more engaging your doc is, the better your team can understand and benefit from it. All right, we're almost done. The last step is saving your doc. You'll see a Save button at the top right corner. Click on it, and your doc is saved. It's crucial you don't forget this step, otherwise, all your hard work will be lost. Let me explain why this matters. ClickUp docs are powerful tools that can help you share knowledge, collaborate with your team, and keep everything organized in one place. By understanding how to create them, you're taking a step towards a more streamlined and efficient workflow. And there you have it. That's how you create a ClickUp doc. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so give it a shot. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.